yazi nje kodwa ne-religion yakaba nesandla nje kwi-poverty. Hayibo ividiyo yesibili leyo ngizoyenza mase ngihamba emgaqweni futhi. Yazi la ngikhona kunevidiyo ke yenziwa uMax la. uMax Makhanya. Inhlula udinsi idindilizo ukudinseka kwesivalo sisidikisela uma kuhlatshiwe ubhama izingqondo esidudle mayiphansiwe. Uke wenza ividiyo lapha. Uthi uNkulunkulu uyingane lo uNkulunkulu lo. Uzamumva imvelo eza kuqala uyingane. Nina niqhamuka senithi uNkulunkulu udala ukuthi kodwa kuthiwa in the beginning. Lo beginning anunako wona ukuthi there is the beginning before kuze amanzi nobumnyama before lo uNkulunkulu wenu ezodala. Yabo i-contention leyo kaMax Makhanya. Ngiyalithanda lela side kaMax lokuba yiphilosopher. Yabo nokuba i-intellect nokuba analytical. Angizili ukuzokhuluma ngayo but ngizokhuluma ngento ethi mayifana ukuthi uyabona uNkulunkulu uyibhingi into ngekuyichaze vele. Yabo uma ekhuluma ngo the beginning vele kunebhingi kune nothingness ngalesi sikhathi. Ubingelelo changes akasha othi ngenza noma yini noma inini noma kanjani kunoma ubani ngoba impilo ayisiyona into ucabanga ukuthi iyona. Possibilities are infinite in the universe. Your own consciousness is your own limitation. Kukude lapho siwa khona futhi kukude lapho siya khona. Beka phansi umoya ungatatazeli uyabona. Yabona ma ukhuluma ngaye uNkulunkulu okokuqala nje ngasho athi mina lento wena oyicabanga ukuthi uNkulunkulu ayinali igama leyo nto. Yabo ijule kakhulu ingaphezulu kokucabanga komuntu. Yezo lesikhuluma ngayo okuyiyona nto eyikona konke. Iyona ke le in the beginning eseqaleni. Yona iuqala iuphela. Ikona konke okukhona ayinale igama ngoba angikwazi ukuyi-understand angikwazi ngisho ukuyichaza ngoba it's beyond the comprehension of the human brain. Bese yona descend down. Yona using the principles of creation. Ila qhamuka khona lo uNkulunkulu ke enikhuluma ngaye ke manje. That is why kuMax ekhuluma kanje. Ngoba mase descend down lento. Leyanto leyana ikude kabi ukuthi uyiqonde. Ikude kakhulu. Iyona beginning, ikona konke. Ibing ayinagama, ayinalutho ngoba iza before anything else. Iza before your mind, iza before amagama okwazi ukuchaza ngawo izinto. Iza ngeke uzukwazi ukuyicomprehend. That's what was there before. Yabo, even to say when it's an energy, if it's something that you can understand now, it means that is not that's what you are referring to. That was there, that will always be there. Bing. Okay. I7 sama principles of creation. Yona yasi splitter kawu2. Ya splitter kawu2. In terms of sekwama principles e creation ke lawo mase sekukhona ini split ngoba lento engikhuluma ngayo ayina split iuqala iuphela. Ikona konke it encompasses everything. Baze bathi encwadini the Kabbalion is the all. Mase ku splitter ila seqhamuka khona ini the two parts of creation, light and darkness. Yabo? Light and darkness. Yilapho ke zonke ke lezi zinto sokwazi ukuzi understand nokuzikhuluma. Uzikhuluma from that basis ke manje. Uzikhuluma from that basis ke manje. Yabo? Ngoba mangithi sebenza ngama principles of creation inezithunya ezinikeza umsebenzi iyehlisa down. The principles are descending down. The principles akuyona ecreator yona ikude kabi ukuthi ungayi-understanda futhi ungazi uyichaza nangamagama uthi iyona le ona oyibiza ngokuthi wena uNkulunkulu ayinalo igama iyibhingi nanokuthi iyibhingi kwakona lokho usozama ukuyichaza beyond that ayichazeki kumele uvele uthule uma uzokhuluma ngayo. That is the beginning. That's alpha and omega we are referring to. That is encompasses every reality and every universe that is there under the sun, where the laws of physics even change, where the universes are there are infinite universes there. But if you descend that down, so ukhuluma ngalo uNkulunkulu ke manje, lapho usukhuluma ngale nto ukuthi sekuzoba khona i-split ne-duality. Yabona leyanto echazwa in the Garden of Eden. Mina la ngikhuluma khona ngikhuluma from the point of occult and esoteric knowledge. Into ejule kakhulu leyo. Leya into leyana, the allegorical explanation of the Garden of Eden. It represents the duality of you coming down from this being to split the duality, where you are able to separate the good from evil. That is where everything started. That is where life as you know it started. The division. So uNkulunkulu ke lo, the second part of creation, uhlukena lezi igaba eziwu-2. Sengikhuluma ngeprinciple of creation, light and darkness, conscious and subconscious. Zonke izinto zihamba kanjalo, male and female. Iqhamuka lapho ke indaba. So lo uNkulunkulu osukhuluma ngaye ke the second part, it is ngingathini, okuhle nokubi kuyasebenzelana, kuba into eyodwa. Kuqhamuka endaweni eyodwa vele. Kuyafuneka ku-2. So wena muntu uma uchema, ake ngibe kanje lento, lokho kwaziyo wena, lokho kwaziyo nokwazi ukuthi kuze kuma 5 senses akho, that is the feminine part of God. The second part, mangikhuluma nga second part ngikhuluma now the principles of creation. I'm not referring to the beginning, the end, the one and only, the all. I'm descending down. So the what you know, that's what is being created. It is the feminine part, the light. Because if we are talking about the feminine part of God, we are talking about what is being created, because the female is what regenerates the female. That is the law of gender. It's what regenerates. You are here because of the female. The female is what the male is expressing to the female, and then the female continues the reproduction or perpetuates it. So that is the feminine part of God. What you know, what can come to your senses, what is created. That is why you say Mother Earth, because what is the earth is having what is created, the nature. All these water, air, the elements, they are forming the part of the feminine part of God. The masculine is the spirits, the underworld, the unseen. That is the masculine part. What you do not know, what is spiritual, what is not manifested. So that is where everything starts from. It starts from there. That is why it's ubumnyama buzaqala kune light. Because everything is happening from the spiritual world first before it comes to the manifestation. Those are two poles of the same coin, those two sides of the same coin. So in your life, okubi nokuhle kuyadingana. So kunabantu abafuna ukuchema nokuhle. Mina I'm this kind of changes, that powerful changes I am today, because of what some people may condemn, to say this was not supposed to happen. I'm here because of all the darkness, evil, and bad and terrible things that happened to my life that shaped me to these changes I am right now. That is the law of polarity. That is the law of rhythm. So those are the principles of creation. So lo nkulunkulu okhuluma ngaye ke is lo sokwazi ukumchaza nokumunderstanda wena. Nani ukwazi ukuchaza lo munye umuntu ukuthi unjani. Vele is the second part of God. That one is the second part of God. Is thunywa angazi ukuthi ngakubiza kanjani, but uvele ungaphezulu vele. Kodwa lokho okuyikona okumqalisa okumphelelisa okuyikona okuyi-infinite living mind kuthumela ke lo nkulunkulu wena okhuluma ngaye ke kuyathumela i-principle of creation, good people, ukuze isuke from the being all the way down to descend, ihamba ngama-hierarchy and principles of creation. Buka nawe ukuthi uqala wenzeni. Uqala nge-inspiration, bese uyacabanga, bese uyafila, bese uyenza, bese kubonakala imphumela. Ungizwa yibo ukuthi i-principle ye-creation ihamba kanjani nakwa universe kwenzeka kanjalo ke.